Now we will try to understand how to find the angle between two planes. Okay, so let's say if two planes are parallel to each other. Okay, let's say if two planes are parallel to each other, we can prove that by using their perpendiculars. இல்லையா? We are using their perpendicular vector. Let's say this is n1, and let's say this is perpendicular to n2. Okay, if n1 and n2 are parallel, we can say pi 1 is parallel to pi 2. Okay, pi 1 is parallel to pi 2, which means the angle between these two planes, pi 1 and pi 2, can be given as theta equals to 0 degrees because they are parallel to each other. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, and if pi 1 and pi 2 are overlapping, okay, pi 1 and pi 2 are overlapping, then also theta will be equal to 0 degrees. It looks like this. Yeah, we have a plane like this. Okay, we have another plane exactly represented by using another equation. Okay, exactly same plane represented using another equation. Okay, in that case also, okay, if it is pi 1 and red one is pi 2, okay, here also the angle between these two planes will be equal to 0. The theta will be equal to 0. Why? They are overlapping planes. They are overlapping planes. So whatever it is, okay, whatever the two planes are, if they are overlapping, well, the angle between them is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, now I want to show you the angle between the intersecting planes. Okay, let's say we have a plane like this. Okay, I'll draw the plane a little bit differently this time. So let's say we have a plane like this and we have a plane like this. Yeah, let's say we have a plane like this and we have a plane like this. So it looks like this. A minute. Okay, my straight lines are not good today. It's fine. Okay, so let's say there is a plane like this, and let's say there is another plane like this. Okay, so we have two planes like this. So they are intersecting at a common line. Okay, we know two planes intersect at a common line. Okay, so the angle we have to find here. Okay, if you look from this angle. Okay, if you look from this perspective, it will look like this. Two lines intersecting with each other. If you have this perspective, we are trying to find the angle between these two planes. Okay, you can also sometimes find this angle. Okay, that will be 180 minus theta, and we know this theta can be acute. If theta is acute, 180 minus theta will be obtuse. And if 180 minus theta is acute, theta will be obtuse. Okay. So they will specifically say find the acute angle, or they might say find the obtuse angle. Okay, find the obtuse angle. Fine. Now, how can we do this? Okay, I'll teach you now. Okay. So let's draw the view like this. Okay, in a 2D view. Okay. So let's say this is pi 1. Okay, and let's say this is pi 2. Okay, these look like this. In the earlier pic, you remember I showed you, it looks like this only. Okay, they look like this only. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is we are trying to find the angle theta. So I'm just drawing this perspective of these two planes. Okay, so we are trying to find this angle theta. Here also we are going to use the normal. Okay, we are going to use the normal of the plane. Okay, normal of the plane. Let me use a different color. Okay, so let's say this is perpendicular to pi 1. So I can say, name it as n1. Yeah, we normally do that. Okay, and similarly, I can draw the perpendicular from n2. Okay, I can draw the perpendicular from n2, which look like, I mean, pi 2. So that will look like this. Okay, and I can name it n2. Okay, I can name it n2. Okay, so let's say this is, well, if they are perpendicular to each other, that means it is equal to 90 degrees. The angle between them is equal to 90 degrees. So this angle, okay, let's say this is equal to theta. Well, then we can say this is equal to 180 minus theta. Why? ABCD. Let me name this. This looks like this looks like a diamond. Okay. Let's say ABCD quadrilateral. In ABCD, the total the sum of interior angle is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. So theta, instead of saying this is 180 minus theta, I'll say this is equal to y. Okay. Theta plus y plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360. Okay, we know that. That's the basic geometric theory. Yeah? So y will be equal to 180 minus theta. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So let's erase this. So I can replace y with 180 minus theta. Okay, I can replace y with 180 minus theta. Perfect. What else can I do? Well, this is equals to theta. Why? This is a straight line. AB is a straight line. So I can definitely say this is equal to theta. And that's what we have to find, Ilya. That's what we have to also find. So the thing is, n1 dot n2 will be equals to modulus of n1 into modulus of n2 cos theta if I use the scalar product. So if I can find cos theta by using these two, this equation, that will be n1 dot n2 over n1 modulus, okay, modulus of n1 into modulus of n2. That's what we have. So this will be equal to cos theta. Okay. If the ratio is in negative, well then the angle is obtuse. You can find the acute angle. Or if the ratio is positive, the angle is acute. If you want, you can find the obtuse angle. Okay. So, however, you will be able to find the angle easily in this case. It's actually really easy. Yeah. When compared to other things that we have studied so far, this is pretty easy. Yeah. This is pretty easy. Okay. So let's do a question. Okay. So let's do a question. In this case, okay, n1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, because this is 1x, 1y, 1z. Okay, and n2 is equal to 2, 2, 2. Well, why did I put 1, 2, 3? 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 1, 1. And 2, 2, 2. The thing is, n1 is equal to 2n2, which means n1 and n2 are parallel to each other. Okay, but there is also something interesting here. Why? The equation phi1 is equals to n1 is equals to 2 into n2 is equals to 2 n1. Okay, I'll change it. So n1 is parallel to n2. The thing is, here you can see phi2 is actually equals to 2 pi1. Okay, which means they are same plane. Okay, they are same plane. If you can give two planes in this format, this means they are same planes. Okay, so the angle between them will be equal to 0 degrees. Nevertheless, okay, fine. Now we'll do some some important question. Okay, where we have different planes. Okay, so we have x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 4, and phi 2 is given as 7x plus 2y plus z is equals to 7. Okay, so now we have to find the angle between these two planes. So I can draw the plane like this. So pi 1 and pi 2. Okay, so n1 will be equals to n1 will be equals to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can find n2 also. So n2 is given like this. So we have n2 here. n2 can be given as 7, 2, 1. Okay, pretty easy stuff. So now you have to find the angle between them. So this is easy because if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta. So this is also equals to theta. Why? These two are 90 degrees. That's it. So you can say n1 dot n2. Well, you can directly go for the cos theta equation. Yeah, we have studied it multiple times. Multiple times. My English is getting worse and worse. Cos theta is equals to n1 dot n2 over modulus of n1 into modulus of n2, or you can say absolute value. n1 dot n2 will be 1 into 7, 7, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3. Perfect. And modulus of n1 will be 1, 4, 9, so square root of 14, and 7, 2, 1, which means 49, 53, 54, square root of 54. So here the thing is I have 14 in the upstairs, I mean the numerator, and we have denominator such that like this. Okay, what can I do here? Well, the thing is I can actually cancel these two and I will get square root of 14. And I can cancel these two and I will get square root of 7 and square root of 27. And that can be written as square root of 7 into 3 square root of 3. So that will be equals to square root of 21 over 9. Okay, that will be equal to square root of 21 over 9. This is cos theta. Okay, so they ask you to find the angle between the plane. So let me change the question a little bit. Find the obtuse angle between the plane. Okay, find the obtuse angle between the planes. Since cos theta is a positive number, we can say theta is an acute angle. So what you have to find is alpha is equals to 180 minus theta. You can use the calculator to find cos inverse. Obviously, it's not that dramatic. It's easy. And then you can find alpha. Okay, that's what you have to find here. Okay, pretty easy. Yeah, this is not that hard. So I hope you can do similar questions by yourself.
Thanks for watching the 40th video in our little series. If you found this explanation of the angle between two planes helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Check out the full playlist Master Vector and follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye bye.